Guys, I'm Tanya and welcome to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to share with you this very glittery smoky eye tutorial. So this look is perfect for the wedding season. You can rock this look with any outfit and it will instantly uplift your makeup game. So the first thing which I like to do is to prime my eyelids, and for that I'm using this Maybelline concealer. Now after priming my eyelids, now I'm going to stick a tape to the outer corner of my eye just to create that sharp wing. Now for this eye look, I'm using this Makeup Revolution Flawless 4 eyeshadow palette. So firstly, I'm using the mixture of these two shades which are called Candle and Cerise and using them as my transition color. Now I'm going to use this matte brown color called Hold Me and putting it all over the crease just to define it. Now I'm using this matte black color called Blend and I'm going to place this color on the outer corner of the eye. And I'm also going to slightly blend it in my crease area just to intensify the crease even more. I'm going to add more color to this until I'm happy with the intensity. So just keep on adding color and blend it out really nicely so that it forms a very diffused look. Next up, I'm going to use some concealer to carve out the area where I want to cut the crease. And for that, I'm using the same concealer. Now here comes my favorite part of adding glitters, and for that I'm using this Swiss Beauty Metallic Liquid Eyeshadow and I'm lightly applying it all over the area where I've cut the crease. Now I'm again taking this color called Hold Me on a small blending brush and I'm going to blend out the edges so everything looks really soft and well blended. Now for the eyeliner, I'm using this In Color High Tech Eyeline eyeliner and I'm creating a very basic and simple winged eyeliner. Now I'm using this Maybelline Line Tattoo eye pencil and I'm tightlining my lower and upper waterline with this. I'm using the combination of matte black and matte brown shade to thicken up my lower lash line that gives that illusion of bigger eyes. Now I'm using the shimmery shade from the same palette to highlight my inner corners as well as the brow bone. Now I'm prepping my lashes for the falsies and for that I'm firstly curling them using the eyelash curler. Then I'm using this Color Bar mascara and I'm applying a nice coat of mascara to my upper and lower lashes. now to finish off this eye makeup, I'm applying these pack falsies. And yeah, that is the finished look. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. And thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And for your convenience, I'm listing all the product details in the description box below. So yeah, that is it for today. I'll see you guys super soon with a brand new video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.